Thanks for tuning in. I have found a website where you can earn extra money either on a part-time or full-time basis from the comfort of your home. These websites require no experience and are free to join. Some of them that I have analyzed in this video can pay you up to $90,000 per year depending on the effort that you put into it. Let's dive in. We have a website called 2Capture. And this is a website that lets you earn money by solving captchas. A captcha is a type of challenge response test used in computing to determine whether the user is human or not. And actually, they help protect you from spam as well as password decryption. They achieve this by asking you to complete simple tests that prove that you're a human and not a computer that is trying to break into a password protected account. The reason why 2Capture website will pay you is because they need real people who are going to test the captures to ensure that they are actually working as intended. For you to get started, you need a phone, tablet, or a computer, and go to the website, select Work for Us, click on Start Earning, then register your account, and from there you can start solving your captures. Their pay is $1 per 1,000 captures. Let's move on to the next one. It's called Survey Connect. This is a platform that allows you to earn passive income by having the app installed in your device. And Survey Connect uses safe, cutting-edge technology to collect data as you surf the web. From the usage, they find trends on online search, shopping, entertainment, and other applications. Then you can earn cash rewards. Here you get paid $5 per month in every device the app is installed in, and you can install up to 3 devices. That means you can make about $15 per month if you have the app installed in 3 devices. This is just passive income where you just install the app and you start surfing the web, and for each of those 3 devices you'll be getting $5 per month. For you to get started, all you need to do, go to the website, select Survey Connect, and then you can install the app in your device and you start earning instantly. Let's move on to the next one. It's called Prolific. This is a research company that pays participants to take part in paid service. It involves its users in research that's being done by world-class universities and global research organizations. Here you earn by taking surveys, and the pay is good because it's between $6 and $12 per hour. The pay is much higher in Prolific as compared to other service sites. And for you to get started, you go to Prolific website, select participant, and then you click on Get Started button. Let's move on to the next one. It's called Validity. This is a platform where you earn money by testing websites and apps. Here, they will send you tests that you qualify for in your email, and that will save you a lot of time. Most of the people receive their first test actually within 24 hours upon creating an account, and they pay between $20 to $40 per month. But some of the users claim to have made $1,000 per month. For you to get started, actually all you need to do is go to the website, select create account, then answer the simple questions given and wait to receive the test that you qualify for. Before I move on to the next one, I would like you to take just a second to give this video a like, and then you can subscribe to this channel so that you can support this content. Thanks for that. All right, let's move on to the next one. Listfirst. This is the website that will pay you for writing lists. And the kind of the list we're talking about is as shown by these examples on the website. And all you need to do is just pick a topic of your interest, and then you can write about 10 or more items that you are familiar with as long as it is interesting, and then you're good to get started. You don't need to be a writer for you to start earning on this website. All you need to do is pick any topic and then write 10 items or more, and then you can submit. For every list that is accepted, you will get paid up to $100. Now, let's say, for instance, you commit to making 1 list per day, then it means you could earn about $700 per week. For you to get started, go to the website. On the More Item menu, select Submit a List, fill in the details on the form that is provided, and then submit. Let's move on to the next one. Free cash. Here you get paid by testing games, testing website, taking service. The website is very interactive, such that you can just chat with other people while doing your tasks. One thing I want to tell you is that, in as much as there are very many offers on this website, avoid any offer that require you to pay any money, because ideally you shouldn't pay for anything on this website. On this website, you can also earn about $162 for testing websites, and that's a very good pay. And actually, on average, one can make $100 per month, and for active users, you can earn $1,000 or more. For you to get started, all you need to do is go to the website, create a free account by going to the sign up form, fill in the details, and then click sign up. Let's move on to the next one. Clarity. This is a marketplace where users get one-on-one advice on a variety of topics. This is a place you get paid by sharing your advice. And if you feel like you have something to offer, you can sign up and start making easy money from the comfort of your home. And on average, you can earn about $50 on an average of 30 minutes call. To get started, all you need to do is create a free account by going to the website, select sign up, fill in the details, and then click continue. User Fill is the next one. And this is a user testing platform for testing website apps and prototypes. The tests will last about 5 to 60 minutes and can be done via phone, tablet, or computer. The tests are very helpful to the website and application owners in finding usability issues. Most of the tests are about 20 minutes and will pay you about $10. For you to get started, you go to the website, select Get Paid to Test, select Register, fill in the form, and then click Apply for a tester. Once done, then you can start doing your test and you earn easy money. There you have it, guys, and from the list I have shared, just try the ones that resonate with you the most, but I would advise you try all of them. Otherwise, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button to support this content. Thanks for watching.